Hi, I'm Kae Lani Palmisano, host of Check Please Philly on WHYY, and I'm here with my mom, Bunny Lyons. She is the owner, baker, and cookie decorator at Bunnycakes in Berlin, New Jersey. Now, a few months back, she came into the studio and she showed Shirley and I how to decorate our own cookies like pros. And now you can make cookies in your own home using her Bunnycakes cookie decorating kits. Mom, tell us about the cookie decorating kits that you have.
Back during the beginning of the pandemic, I couldn't hold classes here because everyone was on lockdown, so I had to come up with something, to keep my business afloat. So I decided to create these cookie kits, and I first named them Kids Quarantine Cookie Kit Series, and it took off.
Today we're decorating these pizza.
Yes, the Mamma Mia pizza kit. Yes.
Walk us through what's inside the pizza kit.
For the pizza kit, I have 9 cookies. All my other kits were vanilla bean cookies, but with this one, I decided to do a salted caramel, just to make it look a little darker, almost like pizza crust. There's 9 cookies in a circle. There is the icing, that's royal icing on the inside. This is the sauce. This is the cheese. Then this is for the olives to make circles. Then I decided, I thought, okay, well, how am I going to make the fixings for the pizza kit? You gotta have toppings. You have to have toppings. So I did fruit roll-ups, and I cut them into little circles for pepperoni, and I did green sprinkles for the oregano. And I thought, oh, this will make it really yummy. I did the Harbo Cola gummies. And the dark part at the bottom, you can cut that up and make it into sausage to sprinkle onto your cookies.
I love that. It's so clever.
Yeah,
that's a lot of sugar, but it's very
clever.
It
is. So I always include directions in my kits for the parents also. I've become very creative with all of this happening.
You had to adapt.
I had to adapt and pivot.
People have been really excited about making cookies in their own home.
They have been, because their kids are home and they're bored and they really want something to do, and they look forward to these kits. It's made me really feel good about having a part in making someone happy.
Now I have the kit,
yes,
and I'm ready to decorate.
Now that you have the kit, and everything is included except for the scissors and the boo-boo stick. I do have in the directions that when they get the icing, it does settle. So if it's not used right away, knead the bag, because the water and the sugar tend to separate in the bag. So you want to knead the bag, each one of them, just make sure that they're well mixed. And then you want to take out some little fixings here, and I put a little bit of powdered sugar on the little pepperonis, just so they don't stick too much. So you're going to take your red
we start
sauce.
With the red? Okay.
Yes, you start with the sauce. You got to put the sauce on first before you put the cheese on. No, you got to put the sauce on first. Unless you're doing a margarita pizza. Okay, so you're going to cut a small little bit off of the tip of your icing, and then all you're going to do is you're going to outline, and you want to leave a space for your crust.
Cheers, Mom.
Yes,
Great
cheers.
job. This
Thank
is a
you.
fantastic idea.
Yes.
This is a great way to decompress, a great activity to enjoy with all ages. And I'm going to enjoy my cookie now.
Yes.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.